Workflow at a standstill because of the Solver Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix Microsoft Office Solver engine conflict for good. To kick off the Solver Library Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Solver Library, the Excel Solver add-in engine. It provides unmanaged high-performance routines for complex linear and nonlinear mathematical optimization. It manages the data link between cell-based constraints in Excel and the internal algebraic solver manifests to calculate optimal values for what-if analysis. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Solver is required by Microsoft Office Solver Engine to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of Microsoft Office Solver Engine ensures all required application DLLs are restored. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Solver library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Solver Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Solver Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Solver Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.